Hey guys, can you solve 2 plus 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 squared divided by 2? 2 plus 2 cubed is equal to 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8, right? 8 minus 2 times 2 squared divided by 2. Now 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 minus 2 times 2 squared divided by 2. Now 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 times 2 squared divided by 2. Now 8 times 2 squared, 8 times 2 squared is equal to 4, 2 times 2, right? 4 divided by 2. Now 8 times 4 is equal to 32 divided by 2. Now 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. But this is not correct answer. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division from left to right. Then addition and subtraction from left to right. So first of all, multiply, right? Solve again. 2 plus 2 cubed minus 2 multiply. 2 squared is equal to 4, right? Divided by 2. Now multiply. 2 plus 2 cubed minus 2 times 8. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 divided by 2. Now divide first, right? So 2 plus 2 cubed minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now plus, then minus. 2 plus 2 cubed is equal to 8, right? Minus 4. Now plus first. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 minus 4, and 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. This is correct answer.